Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Sensationnel. She is in the color 2 and the style is Glenna. Y'all, TikTok is a whole nother universe, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Baby, when I tell y'all, I got great feedback from my posting on Glenna, but baby, it was a couple of people that was doubting me. I definitely had to put a rush on this video because I can't believe y'all thought I tried to wig fish y'all. I would never say a wig is something that it's not. So if you are an OG subscriber, follower, community member, baby, you already know how I gets down over here. I see y'all are not familiar with my game. I gotta make y'all believers. I got to. Let's jump right into this tutorial. So right now, obviously straight out the pack, you are going to have to customize her if you want it to look like how I had it. You know, I like to pluck my units. If you are a beginner, I do have a few plucking tutorials that you guys can check out. But if not, I am plucking her and I'm showing you guys in detail how I pluck her. It's no real pattern, it's no real like strategy that I kind of do with this. I just go off of preference. As of lately, I have not been wanting to pluck my units so thin because after a while the hairline and the wig kind of loses its luster as you're washing and you're styling and just keeping up with the wig is going to lose, you know, its durability after a while. I just pluck, brush, and kind of flatten. So I flatten with that hot comb. I brush with a paddle brush, you know, to kind of get the excess hair out the way. And then I just go in with some regular tweezers. I actually reviewed Glenna on this channel already. She was in the ash brown color. I didn't really care for that color. Trust me, the girlies that wore that color and it looked good on them, baby, loved it. So I am no stranger to Glenna. I just wanted to try her in a different color. So I was seeing in the comment section that the Glenna that some of you guys were getting, you were saying that she was shorter. I do have a 21.5-inch head, and then also I am 4'8". I am a little shorter, so maybe the wig kind of fell a little bit longer on me. So I'm just going in and going inside of the actual hairline as well, just plucking her a little bit. I love how they do have that adjustable elastic band in there. So if you do want to wear her glueless, you can. The texture of this unit is so pretty. It gives off such a natural shine. But of course, I did want to go in and layer her. So that's probably another reason why y'all thought it was a different wig as well. I did go in and layered her. And I believe I said that on TikTok as well. Layered a little bit from the front of the wig. And that was kind of it, y'all. I do get a little scissor happy, so I have to always be mindful. I'm using my Kiss adhesive spray. So just a reminder, if you are new to Glenna, she is a synthetic unit. She is from the Sensational's What Lace collection. I wanted to be very detailed with this review for you guys. A couple of people even asked me, like in my DMs on Instagram as well, like, hey, can you show in detail and a full tutorial on step by step what you do, because my hair never comes out like this. So I will make sure to add timestamps. So girlies that's already like, girl, I just want to see how you layered it, or girl, I just want to see how you put it on, or girl, I'm just here for the plucking. I'm going in the second time with my Kiss adhesive, and then we're going to melt her down one more time. So right now I am taking that band off. So I will go in with a wet towel that will have like alcohol on it a little bit, and I just kind of, you know, wiped off the residue. So the pros and cons that I do have with this unit. So we're just going to go straight to the cons because I feel like I have a lot more pros than cons, honestly. The cons I did have with this unit was she did tangle up, she did shed. Again, the formula that I always kind of tell people, synthetic plus length, baby, she gonna tangle up. Now when it comes down to the pros, I really love how this lace melted on my skin. This was such an easy wig to put on if you are a beginner. The price point is very reasonable. I did get this unit from Sam's Beauty. Sam's Beauty has been definitely my go-to online beauty supply store that I shop at. I love the texture of this unit. I love how natural it looked. You can never go wrong with a natural color. So I am actually happy that I revisited Glenna. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in. If you found this tutorial and this review helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribing if you want to stick around, and press that bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. The purchase link or where you can find Glenna on Sam's Beauty website will be below as well. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. I truly do appreciate you guys. I appreciate the feedback and the constructive criticism, and I truly do hope that this tutorial really did help you. My goal is to always just help, you know? So thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.